Hurrah! A new reward! Try it in the game. Hey, doctor! Let's hurry up to treat the kittens!
The kittens are sick. Let's treat them.
Let's get the tools we need into the medical kit. Awesome! You've got all the tools. Now hurry up and help the kitten.
The sick kitten is waiting for you. Let's hurry up to help him.
Watch out for the mole. Help them get into the burrow. Oh, we've got a flat tire. Let's pump it up. There's a huge rock up ahead. Let's put it away.
We are just in time. Good for you. Oh, the kitten has got sore eyes. Let's help. First, let's check the blood pressure. Tap the device in order to measure the blood pressure. Now let's install the drops.
Apply drops to the kitten's eyes.
Take the flashlight and check the kitten's sight. Tap the dots in order to test the kitten's sight.
Let's get all the numbers and shapes right.
1. Triangle, triangle, square. 4. Circle. 3. 2. Let's make milkshake. Tap the products to prepare the milkshake.
Give the drink to the kitten.
Yum! This milkshake tastes so good. Hey, Super Doc! You have done it again!
Well, after treating the patient, Cookie, Candy, and Pudding headed back to the hospital. Let's germ test our kittens. Oh no! There are germs on the kittens. Let's eliminate the evil germs with clean water. The kitten is now clean. The kittens are wet. Let's wipe them dry. Move the towel over the kitten to wipe them dry. Well done! All the kittens are dry now. Well, yay! Hooray! You've unlocked a new medical tool. Hurry up and treat your patient with